And more than half of our state is also dealing with poor air quality as that smoke hovers overhead. And with the threat of both wildfire smoke and a heat wave, a local doctor is warning that kids are one of the groups most at risk.
So she says the dangerous combination can affect all sorts of people and the consequences can be serious. Libby Dowsett joins us live in Portland with more on this risk. Libby.
Well, China and Matthew, seniors already have fragile health in many cases. So this heat and the smoke can put them at risk of even more serious conditions like heart attacks and stroke. And kids, without even knowing it, could be putting themselves at risk. Now, the warning goes out to pretty much everyone from Dr. Erica Maria Moseson, a pulmonary and critical care doctor who says heat waves can lead to extreme dehydration. Also, wildfire smoke can spread very small particulates in the air that can make their way into our bodies.
Those get breathed into our lungs and they go deep into the body and they circulate all around the body, and they can cause disease, they can cause increased inflammation, they can make people more likely to get an attack of their asthma or their lung disease or a heart attack or a stroke, all sorts of health problems that can be pretty dramatic.
And Dr. Moseson hosts a podcast where she talks about the dangers of polluted air. She also warns of the stress put on our bodies by being out in the heat. She recommends people plan out their day to avoid going out during times of bad air quality or extreme temperatures, and do the same for your kids.
So kids actually breathe a lot more and take in a lot more air for their size than adults do. And of course, they also tend to be wanting to run around all the time. Pregnant people take big, deep breaths and actually breathe more and inhale higher doses. Our people who are exerting outdoors, so our outdoor workers, our frontline, our wildland firefighters.
And she said it's important to check in with people you know to make sure they aren't suffering from heat exhaustion or heat stroke. And are they feeling cramps? Are they feeling extreme tiredness? She warns the signs can be very subtle. And she says if you are feeling thirsty, you most likely are already dehydrated. A good tip right there.